everyone, my name is Shahin Alam and I am a volunteer from 24 Asia training team. So in this video I'll show you how to use some important Excel functions that are very useful in your assignments, reports and real office work. We will learn step by step how to calculate sum, average, count, subtotal, modulus, power, concatenate and grand total. So let's begin. So as you see, I already input all data because to save our time, so I already input all data. So in assignment 1 they already teach you how you input the data. So once you already know how to input data, so I don't want to waste time here, so I directly show you how to calculate this sum, average, count. Okay, so let's start. So the sum function is used to add numbers. So this formula is for sum that A10 until A21. So here you press enter. So this result is come out. So my result is 5505, and our assignment also 5505. So this result is right. So now we calculate the average function. So average function is calculate, that means value that call average, then again A10 until A21. So enter. So our average value is now similar as our assignment. So now you guys understand, right, how to calculate the average. So next is count. So count function tell you how many numeric values are in a range. So formula is count. So A10 until A21, C10 until C21. So this result is similar our assignment. So that means this one also correct. So now we are going to complete our subtotal. Okay. So subtotal formula function perform a calculation like sum or average and can ignore hidden rows. So formula is I can use subtotal, then F1 is average, then 2 is count, 3 is count, 4 max, 5 is minimum. So you can use subtotal, then calculate this thing. So I use 9. Subtotal 9 means I do the sum. Sum means I add all. Okay, so now now D10 until D21. So then enter. So this result is 5605. So our subtotal is 5605. Okay guys, so now we calculate his modulus. Okay, so what is modulus? What does modulus do? So the modulus function returns the remainder after dividing one number by another one. So like the number, then the value you want to divide. Okay, so that means you can so now like you want to use the number of E10 1 to 5, so you want to divisor. So divisor you can use as a 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one you want you can use. So you can use 2. So if you use 2, that means our modulus is 1. So if you use 3, so our modulus is 2. Okay, so modulus gives you the leftover after the division. Okay, so once the division done, then they will give you the leftover after the division. Okay, so like I give you example. So if you have one bucket and one bucket 10-piece banana. Okay, so each box you can pack 4 piece, so 2 box is you can pack the banana 8 piece, right? So you have 2 piece extra banana, so this 2 piece extra banana is modulus. Okay, clear? So you can use here 10 also. So this modulus is 5. Okay, so this one up to you how you want to use. So now power means we all understand, right? Power we all learned in our school. 2 square 4, 3 square 9, and 3 cube is 27, right? So this is the way we use power to calculate. So how we do the power? So use equal to the power. So like now 135, I use the F11 and I want to square it, so 2, then enter. So this result is 18225. So if you want to use power 225 also can. If you want to use cube, means it's not square, you can use 3 also. Okay, so whichever you want you can use this function or formula. Okay, now concatenate. So how we do this one? What does concatenate do? The concatenate function join 2 or more pieces or text into one single string. So I give you one example. So now my first name is Shaheen and last name is Abu. So if I use my name in concatenate, so this concatenate function will bring my name together, Shaheen Abu. Okay, so in this number, if we use this formula, so this all number this function will bring together. Okay, let's show how we work. So this number we will add one by one. Okay guys, so this is our final result, final output. So our final output total number is this. So that means this function or formula bring all the numbers together. Okay, clear? So this grand total is same as a sum. Okay, grand total also calculate all of the value and total, means now we use sum. Our answer was 5505, right? So now we do the grand total. Grand total is the total of the multiple subtotals or all the value together. So this grand total formula is equal than sum let's see, this is our total value same as sum. So we can do subtotal also. If we use subtotal formula also can. Okay, so this one I clear, so I use subtotal formula. So value is same. So grand total and sum function formula which works are similar. Okay, so in this video we learned 8 useful Excel functions. So I hope this helps you in your assignment and future office tasks. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our 24 Asia channel. Thank you everyone.